so we got this mostly set up here. Let's get these little pocket clip screws out of the way here. Make some extra room. All right. Oh yeah, that's so much nicer. All right, so this knife is mostly put together here. You can see I got a little bit of space in between like the scales and the liners. So one thing that a lot of people don't, I don't think I've seen anybody do actually, but you get things mostly put together here. And in fact, I think I'm gonna put, yeah, body screws in quick. Just enough so everything's kind of set and settled in. Yeah, T6. So again, going backward, well, I guess it's backwards, counterclockwise until we hear it click in and feel it click in. Yep. Yeah, so everything's spinning, right? Drives me crazy. But now that everything's mostly settled in, just take the knife. You're not gonna, just give it a little smack. That is to get all the parts to settle in nicely. So now that all the parts are in nicely, yep. It's like a mechanic thing, right? So the mechanic at the auto shop also does that, where he'll take a mallet hammer and he'll smack the auto parts with the mallet, and the vibrations knock all the parts into where they're supposed to be. So that then, when the mechanic goes to tighten everything, everything tightens, well, nicely. And everything stays in place. And again, here I am holding the back spacer with tweezers, well, pliers, so everything does not spin. Yeah. All right. So all the parts are in nicely. And I'm just going to gently tighten all the screws down so they're nice and snug. Yeah, this is going to be really nice. All right, let's loosen up that pivot. Actually, no, first. Put this pocket back on.